get them wired up. They're LED lights. I couldn't figure nothing out on the internet about it, but your blue, brown, and black, you run the blue to the red, the brown to the black, and the black to the white to get your running and your brake lights to work. And then on your turn signal, you run, right here's my wires, but you run the blue to the black and the white to the black, and that'll make your turn signals work. I couldn't find nothing on the internet about it, so I figured I'd make a video telling you how to wire up these LED lights, because it took me forever to get them figured out.